Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to Tools for Kids, the go-to place for young adventurers like you. I'm Mr. Elliott, your guide through the world of tools. Today, we're diving into another exciting journey of learning and discovery, so buckle up and get ready for a world of knowledge, where every tool, project, and idea is a stepping stone to unleashing your creativity. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community of explorers. Now, let the fun begin as we embark on another fantastic episode right here on Tools for Kids.
Oh, hi guys. Didn't know you were here. Well, let's get to it.
Hey there, little builders. Today, we're talking about two superhero sidekicks that keep us safe on our building adventures: ear protection and safety glasses. Do you want to check them out? I think we should. I know I got them here somewhere. Oh. Here's the eye protection, and oh yeah, I see it. Here's the, oh man, we dropped something. What did we drop? Oops. Here's the hearing protection. Hearing protection and eye protection are here to make sure our ears and eyes always stay protected when we're in the middle of exciting projects. First up, we have ear protection. Just like you wear a helmet when riding a bike, ear protection helps us keep our ears safe from loud noises. When we're using tools that make a lot of noise, like drills, hammers, don't forget your ear protection. Pop them on, and it's like having a quiet bubble around your ears. This is a tool I use all the time. It's called a ShopVac, and you can use it for sucking up just about anything. It's super handy out here in the workshop, but there's one problem with it. It's really loud. Now, I want to show you guys real quick. Now, plug your ears because it's going to be really, really loud. Here we go. Whew, hurts my ears. Good thing we have ear protection. Now I want to show you guys something really cool about ear protection. It makes things really quiet. I'll demonstrate it for you. Here, I'm going to put them on and then I'll take them off. You tell me if you hear a difference. All right, I have the hearing protection on. Here we go. Now ready? I'll take it off. Wow, that's loud. And back on. Whew, that's so much better. Ear protection's job is to make sure our ears stay happy and healthy even when the tools get a bit noisy. So, whenever things get a little noisy, you know it's time to protect those ears. So now that we've learned about ear protection, let's talk about safety glasses. Just like we wear sunglasses when the sun is too bright, safety glasses keep our eyes safe from flying bits and pieces when we're busy building or crafting. Wow, that's noisy. I better put some ear protection on. All right. Now that my ears are protected, let's get to it. Wow, that's a lot of sparks. I better put on some eye protection too. There, now that we have our ear protection and eye protection on, it's time to get to cutting this piece of metal. Pretty cool, huh? Eyes, ears, everything's safe. Whether we're cutting metal, hammering, sawing, or even doing some cool science experiments, safety glasses have our eyes covered. It's like having a magical shield to protect our peepers from anything that might try to sneak up on them. Remember, safety is our #1 priority on our adventures. By using ear protection and safety glasses, we become real-life superheroes, protecting ourselves from any surprises that might pop up during our building quests. So, the next time you gear up for a project, don't forget to bring your safety equipment. They're the coolest safety superheroes around, and they'll make sure every adventure is not just fun, but super safe too. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Tools for Kids. If you've enjoyed this safety talk, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about safety gear or there's a specific tool you'd like to learn about, just let me know in the comments below. Let's continue our safe building journey together. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring. I'm Mr. Elliott and you're watching Tools for Kids. See you in the next safety-filled adventure.